Why are you sitting on my shoulder? Ezzy, honey,
Ezzy,
honey, honey, Ezzy.
Because I'm being apple. Because I'm doing. Look, tiger.
What is a tiger, Ezzy?
Yeah, in the tree. I saw a bug in your head.
What?
Daddy, a bug in your head because your head is dirty. Daddy, look, a big coconut over there. A big coconut there. Look, did you see that? Daddy, look, a big coconut. Look, big coconut.
Ah, right. Is that a coconut?
Yeah, that's a big coconut. That people's put in water.
Where?
No, that's a long stringy. Go. 1, 2. If you walk there, the train will come, and then you will be dead. You need to be fast. You need to be down. Or when the train comes, it doesn't like that.